Africa Content TV.
Western Mirror is here. Independent is here. Vanguard is here.
Niger News is here.
Niger News is here.
Or your info.
Have we left anybody else?
No.
So I want to thank everybody. Arise is here. And CBC is here. Channels here too. Oh yes. So it's a full house. I want to thank. I'm very humble because I mean, like we say on the street, who are me for such a I'm very grateful. Why am I here? Yes, there are many radio stations in Ibadan, in Oyo State and in Nigeria. And many people will pay visits to media houses when the candidates of the party like the ARM. But this is not that kind of visit. This is a private visit. I came to see my mom here. I've known him for over 20 years. He's known me for over 20 years because it's my mom. So not that I've known him. He was very good friends with my father. And so whenever I see him, when people say, go to Fresh, go and check him, I say, no. This is my mom now. I mean, I'm not going to go and lobby with Ayeka. So I came here to have this blessing. He's an evangelist too. And they say vox populi, vox Dei. The voice of man is the voice of God. And if you have a broadcast station, you are an evangelist and you are my mom, it means that, you know, there is a special responsibility for you to pray for me. And beyond that, in his capacity as a promoter of our Fresh FM, he has been a very great supporter and ally of the current government. And I think the reason why I respect him and the station more than anything else is that, yes, it's not in doubt that they are friends to the government, but they do not use kid gloves when they are talking about government or governance in the state.
So he's been coming here now, even before he's been anointed to, you know, take up this flag. And I want to assure you that by the special grace of God, like you have rightly said, we belong to nobody and we are for everybody. We are unbiased, and just give us the assurance that we are going to do more than what God, then you have our support. We belong to the populace, to the people of Oyo State. We work more for the public than working for individuals. We have so many aspirants in Oyo State today, and the governor knows me very well. I like being straightforward, and I say it the way it is. So that is why I have a very good, cordial relationship with him.